and welcome back to the vlog. So we are all packed up in the carro. We're all packed up in the car because we are on the road again. We are headed down to Port Aransas. So we go there every year when we can. So far it's been for like the past maybe 4 years, I think. But we are very excited. The kids are very excited. We stopped because we packed everything. So we stopped at this Mexican restaurant here in Haico, and the kids are walking down with Doño to go get some donuts, and we are waiting here in the car. Okay, so here's the burrito. I don't think I'm gonna open it right now. It's like very super hot, but I think he got it al pastor. It smells super delicious. So if you're ever in this area, you need to stop at this restaurant. It is delicious. So I guess we're gonna just take you along with us on this little adventure. And I think when we come back, we might be going on another little road trip. We're just, just little globe trotters, but we'll just let y'all know how it's going on the road. So keep watching this video. Alright guys, we arrived, right? Where are we? Where are we, Mama? At the beach, and we're gonna go have so much fun, right? Yeah. You gonna have fun, Lolis? Me. Bashi, bashi, bashi. See? ¿Y tú? Oh, she's not wearing a shirt because she threw up in the car. ¿Verdad que sí, mamás? So we are here. Let me just show y'all the room. I am very happy with the room situation. I was very worried because we weren't able to get a house or stay at the hotel that we usually stay at, but this room is pretty big, and I would stay here again. I would book this room again because I was worried because of the pictures. The rooms looked a little small, but they're pretty spacious. Yeah, this is our room. So let me just show y'all around before we destroy it. So you walk in, and here we have a little chair. We have the 2 tables. We have the TV with a little table right here. A mirror. Mira, aquí estoy. A table over here. And we have this area over here. Where's the light? Is there a light? Is there a light? I don't know where the light's at. But a little coffee area right here, which will be perfect so we can get snacks and cook some food here. A little fridge. That looks a little kind of scary, but it's okay. A fridge, a microwave. This is from the other side. Mommy! Hey, what are you doing, girl? Oh, we're gonna have to unplug that for sure. For sure. They can't grab it. And then over here we have a sink with a mirror. A little... No. Be nice. Don't get too excited. And then over here we have the area for our clothes, the bathroom, and the shower. And everything looks pretty clean, smells really good. So later, look at them, they're so excited. Mommy. So later,
how long will we get home?
We're gonna be here for lots of days. Are you excited? Oh. So the boys went to go get our stuff from the car, and they should be running in here in just a little while. Chicho was so super excited. The pool looks nicer in the pictures than in the actual photos, but that's okay. We came for the beach, not for the pools. But I will show y'all that later, okay? So we will catch up with y'all when we know what we're gonna do. Are y'all ready to go? You ready to go? Noelle, you ready to go? No? Have arrived to the beach. Ooh, the sound is so beautiful. Hopefully y'all can hear me, but look at it. Look at it. There it is. girls are having fun. Norley's having a little moment over here, but she was loving it. I think she's just a little tired from the trip. Alondra's just having a blast. Look at her. Look at her go. And Vida, of course, you know, she is a little beach bum. She just loves to be at the beach. Look at them. Chicho's already in the water. Tono's all the way in there. Vente, mamas. Go, yeah. Come on. Leave my baby alone. Feed your bird. ¿Qué pasó, mamás? Es el bird, ¿verdad? Es el bird. Mira, Mayes. Woo! There are the kids way over there having a blast. I'm very surprised the twins are doing really good. Vente. Alondra. Here, mama. There's a bird. There's a bite. Then. Got a bite? No, got a bite. Vida, come here. Oh my gosh, let me see. Oh my gosh! You got one! Your dream! You got her! You got her! You having fun? See, Shosha? Say bye-bye. Huh? And here we have this one sleeping. Well, not sleeping, just chilling. Trying to get over her little fit she was throwing. Right, mamas? Look at the kids in there. Oh, Toño disappeared. He disappeared into the abyss. He loves coming to the beach. Look at him, look at him. Piensa que es una sirena, míralo. Loli, coshamosha. Ay, qué preciosa mi mamá. Yeah? Yeah? You feel better? You feel better, mama? It's okay. What happened, mama? What happened? ¿Te murió la pinche crab? Oh, yo. Antonio and Chicho caught a crab and they pinch your finger. Well, why you grab it? Come on, let's go sit down. Up and see it. It pinched. Alondra, don't get it, Noeli. Mira, it could bite you. Te va a hacer rar, rar.
All these cameras flashing, girl, they love us like we Lucy. Can we catch a vibe underwater like jacuzzis?